Hello viewers, this is Liva Buhay. Laundry chute. Have you heard of laundry chute? What is the use of it? Why do you have to have it? In this video, I will be sharing to you the very good thing about having a laundry chute in your home, especially if you are living on a 3-story or 2-story house where you have your laundry room on the first floor, and you're living on the second floor, or you're living on the third floor. And in that case, you don't have to be carrying all the time your laundry. So today I will be showing you how this laundry chute is being made, because there are different types of laundry chute, and people even have laundry chute that looks like a cabinet. They can have it in the kitchen, wherever part of your house that the laundry chute has direct direction to the laundry room. So in this house, we have our laundry room on the first floor, and it is exactly beside the entry hall. So in this case, this laundry chute is located on the second floor in this bedroom. And why in this bedroom? Because it's the only place that goes direct to the laundry area. There is also a laundry chute there on the third floor, which I will show you too. But the laundry chute on the third floor, I will talk about it later after this. So this is how it is being made. This laundry chute looks like this. Some people have seen it before, thought that maybe this laundry chute can only take like small clothes like this. So I will show you how to do it. It looks like that. It's kind of big hole, and there under is the laundry room. I will be showing you later how it looks like there in the laundry room. So all you do is you throw it, and there it goes. So it looks like a tiny laundry chute, but actually I can throw laundry there, even a bigger size of laundry. This is like, a bed sheet, and you can actually throw it too. You just do like that, and the bed sheet will fall down directly there. And then if you don't use it anymore, then you just cover it, and it looks like that. It even looks like just a furniture where you can put something. You can put a flower on it or whatever. I was thinking like I will put something here like a plastic plant, and just have it there. And it looks like, it doesn't look like even a laundry chute. So speaking of practicality, this one is really good because every time I have dirty clothes, I just open it and throw it there. So it's a kind of a solution in every house that has more than one story, where you don't have to go down all the time and carry your laundry to the laundry room. So this is the one that is located just in my room. And then I have another one on the third floor. So come with me and we will go to the third floor. So I am here now on the third floor, and this is the laundry chute on the third floor. It looks actually quite bigger than the other one. This room actually is quite a big bedroom, and in this area, it's the third floor. In this floor, it's like 3 bedrooms. And why I have this one here? Because this area of the laundry chute will go direct to a very small room, a very small stock room in the kitchen, where where we save groceries and dry groceries and all this stuff, and an extra refrigerator. So it looks like that. And how you open it, it's quite the same principle like the other one. You open it like that. I can tell you that This idea was actually mine, and then we have a very good carpenter, and I just told him how to do it, and I showed some inspiration photos, and he got it. And then this is the best part that I really like, especially that I'm the one who is in charge of the laundry. Sometimes my husband, he wash clothes too. Here in Sweden, a wife and a husband do the same thing. The wife, they work, the husbands, they work, and both of them will also do household chores. But most of the time, I'm the one who cooks, and it's because my kids loves my cooking. My husband can cook too, but he is not so good cooking, Asian food. So when it comes to Asian food, I am the one who has to do it, and that my kids loves it. So I will show you. I have here a bag of laundry, and that is from the room of my eldest son, who is 16 years old. So 2 bedrooms, they have their own laundry bags, and today I will do it myself because they were on vacation with their grandparents, but normally they are the one who throw their laundry in this laundry chute. But today I will do it because they are not here, and so I will be doing it myself. So now it's only to take a laundry here in his laundry bag, for example, like this shirt, and all you do is just throw it on the laundry chute, and that laundry chute will go direct to that area there, and that is the stock room in our kitchen. So it's a lot of here, and it's only to throw there. So they don't have, actually, if you live in this 3rd floor of the house, you don't actually have to go down all the time and carry your laundry bag. So all my kids, I train them. It's one tip for parents. You don't actually have to do everything. Learning your kids to do some household chores is not actually something like, oh, you don't love your kids. Oh, why do you have to give work to the kids when they are still kids? But actually, it's a kind of training. So this video about laundry chute, I will also give you tips, mothers, how to deal with your kids. Here in Sweden, there's a lot of very common problems that most teenagers, they don't know anything. They cannot do anything because parents will just do everything, the laundry and all this stuff. But actually, you can actually teach them in the early age. So my son now is 16 years old, but at his age, he does his own breakfast. He has a kind of breakfast every day that he loves. Like he has to have a toast bread and an egg, and now at his age, I think he started doing it by himself when he was like, 13 years old, 12. I learned them. So when they said, oh, I want to have an egg, I usually come, you can watch me how I do it, and I really let them hold the ladles and teach them how to do it. They love my food. They really love Asian food. So I said to them, it's very good that you know how to cook mama's own food. It's because maybe someday you get married and you maybe can have a wife who doesn't know how to cook Asian food, and then you miss my cooking, and your mom is not always around. You don't know. When you get bigger, you don't know how long your mom is around, or maybe your mom is already getting older, and you cannot do so much things anymore when you're getting older and older and older. So it's one thing of training for the kids. So that is my laundry chute there on the 3rd floor. So I will go to the 2nd floor and show you where this laundry goes, and after that I will show you where the laundry room is, so you can follow me. So now I'm going down to the kitchen area, and I will be showing the laundry chute. Why I'm doing this? Because a lot of houses actually doesn't do this kind of solutions to their places. And here it is. I forgot to put this one because I just took them and threw them on another another area. But anyway, I will show you. So this is the one that I have here actually under. The laundry chute looks like that. So there up is the third floor, and it goes down just there. And oh my goodness, it's kind of mess here. It's just, whoa. So actually I forget to put this one. But anyway, that was not good that I forgot. There it is. So actually it is like that. So all the laundry that comes from here, from this hole, goes down there. And this one, what do I do with it? If my husband is here, he usually just carry this, because I don't carry heavy things on the stairs. So from the third floor, it goes like this. And then if it's only me who wants to carry this, then I go to the laundry chute in my room, and then I throw them. Or else, if it's just full and I'm tired of transferring it to the other laundry chute, then my husband will carry it just direct to the laundry room. So it looks like that. And so for you people who are planning or who are already living, this is a very good solution for like a big family. So you don't have to be carrying your laundry all the time to your laundry room. And I get a lot of inspiration about laundry chutes, and I saw a lot of people actually who has this kind of solution into their house, and this is really very practical. Now we will go to the laundry room. So now we're here in the laundry room. It's kind of mess here because I'm not done. We were just newly, we've been here in this house, living here for only just a month, and it's just a lot of things to be done. So here in the laundry room, I'm not totally done. It's just, a lot of things here. And, on the window, I was supposed to put plants on that window, but then it's still a lot of, materials, electrical materials and all this stuff. So we have here two washing machines, and it's because the one washing machine is the smaller washing machine. It is actually from our house before, and then it works well. So we were thinking that we can use it as long as it works, and then maybe if it gets destroyed, because they don't last forever, there will be time that they actually get destroyed. So we have the newer one that is quite big. It's like that if you have a big family, and if you live in most European countries, you don't have somebody you can hire. It's not just easy that you will hire somebody. And I think people who does it, they hire people who works for them. It's only those who have really lots of money. But here in Sweden, I think I can say like 90%, they don't have helpers. But some of the people who have really, they earn a lot. They have people who goes to their house like every weekend and wash their laundry, do the cleaning. But here, it's me, my husband, and my kids helping each other, cleaning the house, and the laundry, it's me and my husband who is doing it. But of course, I will always tell my husband, you will never wash my dresses because sometimes he uses a wrong program, and then suddenly my dress doesn't look good anymore. They get destroyed. So I usually warn him, if you will do the laundry, never wash my dresses and this very see-through blouses and all this stuff. So this is actually, we call it the dryer, but I only use the dryer to save energy. I only use the dryer if I really need to have them dried as fast as I can. And besides, dryers are not really so kind to clothes. They are not really so kind. There are even clothes that you shouldn't hang on a dryer. So it looks like that. That is why we hang them like this, because first thing, we want to save energy, and another thing, if we're not in a hurry that those clothes will get dry, then we just hang them there, and after 2 days they get dry. So these ones are dry, and sometimes if you're a working mom, you go to your work and then you come home and sometimes you're just so tired. And I'm the kind of person, I'm learning it. Before, I can't believe them. I just, stress out and I have to do this, I have to finish this. But now I don't do it anymore because for me, it's not worth. If you get tired, you rest. So what you see is the one that I throw. It didn't shoot very well because it was this one. So it looks like that and that one. So as you see, this is the one that goes, that is from the second floor. And by the way, this room, I will tell you, I'm proud to say that in this room, I'm the one actually who painted it. And I'm the one even put, like the finishing on it. It was a lot of work for me because, of course, I'm not a professional painter. But again, I will say most European countries, if you are a painter, a carpenter, whatever, this kind of blue collar job, they are very expensive. Like the cheapest carpenter here, you will pay around 500 to 600 Swedish kronors per hour. So like if they work for like 8 hours, imagine it's like, 6. So it's like 4,000 to 5,000 a day. Swedish crowns. They are so expensive. That is why a lot of people here, if you live in a house and, we do a lot of things that we can by ourselves, or else it will cost you more. And so the electricals here, it's my husband who did it. So it looks like that. And then I just, on the floor, then I just sort them out, all whites and then colored and, So it's kind of thing that I can really recommend to people if you have big family and you live in a house. Because living in a house, we call it here in Sweden a villa, it's kind of different because you really, you shouldn't be a lazy person. And it's because it's a lot of things, and maybe sometimes it's something that has to be fixed and all this thing. And you don't want to call all the time for people to fix it, because otherwise, I said, if you have a carpenter for a day, it is already for just one day, it is already like 4,000 to 5,000 Swedish crowns. How much is this? It's kind of 400 US dollar, 6 times 6. So it's like, oh my God, in the Philippines, it's kind of like 36,000. They are so expensive. It's one of the most expensive workers to get. And so some of this house, the electricals, some electricals are not even done. It's because it's only my husband doing all the electricals, and he has a lot of lamps, lights everywhere. So laundry chutes, I will really recommend for you people, all mothers there. If you are planning to build a house, if you are planning to renovate a house, you buy a house and you renovate them, if you have the opportunity, I will really recommend to get or make a laundry chute in your house, because it is worth it. It is very practical. And so like me, all the laundries being, it's there. And then all I do is just, do my laundry. And that's all. So it's actually really, really very good. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I gave some ideas and tips to mothers out there, or fathers, or people who are planning to buy a house, renovating a house. If you have the opportunity to make a laundry chute, do it, make it, and it's worth it. This is Liva Buhay again. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again. See you around next time. Bye-bye.